Today we are going to be unboxing another Stitch Fix. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I unbox all things subscriptions from men's, women's, kids, beauty, clothing, toys, games, you name it, I unbox it. And if I haven't, I probably will be soon. If you are unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, let's run over it real quick. If you are unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, let's run over the whole process. It is a clothing subscription service. You sign up and fill out a style profile, and then you have a stylist who takes that profile and tries to find clothes to fit you. And sometimes they are pretty good, and then other times they're not, and I'm okay. You get 5 pieces of clothes in a box, and I'm okay if 1 or 2 of the clothes don't fit my profile, because it encourages me to try on different styles. Like last month there was a top that just wasn't my fashion. It was very kind of grandma-esque, and it was, I'm sure it looks cute on somebody, but it just wasn't for me. But still, I got to try it on and see what it looked like on me. And sometimes in the store I would just like browse past it. So in a way it kind of helps me try on different styles to allow me to see what fits, what doesn't fit, and you know, that sort of thing. So they send you clothes. You have a few days to try them on. If you like them, you can keep them. If you don't, they have a bag. Just send them right on back. Super, super simple. There is a $20 a month styling fee. When you keep an item, that styling fee goes towards that item. If you keep all 5 items, then there is a % off. And my mind is blanking on that, but it is in there. And yeah, so you get the styling fee off plus an extra, I think it's 16% or something like that off your total. So that is nice. First off, we have the return bag with the return shipping label. And then we have an envelope with "Thanks for letting us style you." And this paper has all the prices of your items. And I will go ahead and read them as I normally do, the sizes, the prices, that kind of thing. It's a 25% off. I'm sorry, I don't even remember what I said. But it's a total of 25% discount if you buy everything. The total for today's order would be $224 if I were to buy everything without the 25% and without the $20 credit. Then this is the pamphlet that I really like. This helps me because I have a hard time figuring out how to style clothes. And I'm not going to look too closely at it because I don't want to spoil it. But each card has 2 different outfits on it that pertain to the piece of clothing. So 2 different ways to style it, wear it. And they do things like accessories, shoes, bags, jackets, scarves, that kind of thing. Sometimes they have jewelry suggestions on here. It's just really nice overall to just help you style your clothes if you have a hard time with that. Here is our beautiful bundle, and they always do such a nice job of having everything packed up so nice and tight. Beautiful deep blues and burgundies, nice fall, winter type of colors. Very beautiful. It's a navy blue with like pale pink flowers. And it looks like a dress. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't know how much you guys can see, but it is a wrap dress. Let me try holding it the other way. There we go. Nope, I don't know. Maybe if I lean back. There we go. Okay. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but it is a wrap dress. And it's decently long. It has a high-low, so it's shorter in the front and longer in the back. And you'll be able to see it better when we try it all on. This is by Fortune and Ivy. It is a 1X, and this dress is $54. Ooh. It has these like bell type of sleeves. They look very like they'd sit kind of roughly. Very pretty. It's so soft. It's like a t-shirt material, very stretchy. It's not what I would consider a warm fabric for wintertime. To me, this feels and looks like more of a summer type of a dress, and it does not have pockets, so that is a negative, but you know, if it's nice enough, we can always work around it. Next we have a pretty burgundy color cardigan. Okay, that's nice. Just a real simple looking long sleeve cardigan here. Yep, nothing super special about this or anything unique. Just a cardigan. I like cardigans though, so it's not, I'm kind of wearing one right now. So this is by Mix. This is a 1X. This is by Mix by 41 Hawthorne. It's a 1X and it is $38. Don't know how I feel about this pattern. It's just a sleeveless dress. I like the pattern on it, but I don't know how much it's showing up on camera. It's on a gray background, and then with the pastel colors, to me it actually looks like it has been worn a lot and has faded. You know, like it was supposed to be black with like vibrant colors, but then it got bleached or something. I don't know, left out in the sun. I don't know. But it just looks like it has faded. Who knows? Maybe it'll look better on me than it does just sitting here. But right off the bat, I'm not loving the colors. I do like the pattern though. I think I like the pinks and stuff, but maybe if the background was different. I don't know. Okay, this one is by Fortune and Ivy. It is also a 1X, and it is $40. Okay, next, this is black, and oh, it's another dress. Okay, it's like a oversized shirt type of a dress, and it has like the arms with the little buttons on them to pull them up. Buttons down the front. Looks like it has an elastic waist. It's very soft, very stretchy. Looks like it'd be very comfortable. I don't know if this is my style though. I've never worn something like this, so I would definitely have to try it on. This is also by Mix 41, size 1X, and I think this one is $48. Again, more floral prints, large floral prints, but this time on black. And I do the purple and the orange on the black. To me, I like that better than the gray. And okay, this is exactly the same as the gray one, just in black, basically. So let's grab the gray one. Yeah, here they are, side by side. The gray one has more flowers on it than the black one, but I definitely like how the color pops off the black one more than the gray one. To me, personal preference. So this is again by Fortune and Ivy, a 1X, and this is $48. Huh. Wait, no. $44. This is by Fortune and Ivy. It's a 1X, and this one is $44. So the black one is $4 more than the gray one. Same company, same cut, same styles. Basically everything's the same. Those are all the items that I received today. We will hop on into the living room and try them all on for you guys. So first up, we have the wrap dress, and it's not 100% a wrap dress. Like, it's sewn here, so it's not really adjustable. I guess you could untie this and tighten it just like a little bit. There's only maybe an inch or two that you could tighten it, but otherwise it's not a complete wrap dress. But I love it. It is so cute, and I was worried about the cut because sometimes the wrap dresses or even like V-style tops come too low on me, but I think this is great and it's comfortable. I love the hemline on it, the high-low, and the high part is just under my knee length, and then it goes down to about ankle length. So I love it. It is cute. I love the pattern. These sleeves are super cute. I love how they lay all frilly and they're loose, and I don't know, I love that style sleeve. I'm really liking this dress. The next dress we have is the black shirt dress, and I am not liking this one. It is the same size. They're all 1X, but it is a lot tighter, and I just don't think that this style is flattering on me. I don't mind the sleeve length and that whole thing, but just the buttons and the way where it sits and how it sits, it just, I don't know. I just don't think it is very flattering. It is about knee length, so I do appreciate that. I did ask for longer dresses, or well, dresses that were at least knee length, because I don't feel comfortable wearing dresses shorter than that, just a personal preference. So I do like the length of the dress, but that's really the only thing that I like about this dress. This style is just not me, and I don't think it does anything to flatter my body. I don't know what it is about this dress, if it's the color, because it just still looks like it's faded, or if it's the style. I don't know. I'll have to try on the black one and see if it fits. They are made out of different material. It's just the same exact cut and pattern, you know. But earlier I had said that the blue one didn't look like a curtain. To me, this dress does look like a curtain. It's just so busy. There's just so many flowers that to me it kind of looks like somebody took down their curtain and made it into a dress. But I don't love this style dress, at least on me. To me, it looks like a nightgown, and I don't know, I wouldn't feel comfortable going out of the house, so this would be another pass. It's soft, the fabric is soft, and it would be comfortable to wear, but it's just the pattern and the style just aren't me at all, so I would have to pass on those. This dress has the exact same cut as the gray one, but for some reason I like it better. I don't know if it's the pattern and there's not as many flowers. I don't love this one as much as I like the blue one. The blue flower one is my favorite because there's even less flowers. Like, that one has a few flowers. This one is in the middle with more flowers, and then the gray one has like a ton of flowers. But anyhow, I don't know why or what it is, but I think this looks better on me than the gray one. I still want to wear it. It still reminds me of a nightgown. So, I mean, if you wanted to wear it as a nightgown, you could. But I would never pay $40 for a t-shirt nightgown. That would, to me, just is crazy. It's super, super soft. It's made out of more of a t-shirt material, whereas the other one was made more out of a sweatshirty type material. More, I don't know, knit or something. And so it wasn't as like flowy, and it was more stiff than this one. But just the pattern is just not me, and it's beautiful. The print on it's beautiful. Maybe if it was in a different style. But yeah, I'm gonna pass. I just don't like the style of dress. I don't think it's me, and I probably would never wear them because I just wouldn't feel comfortable leaving the house in something like this. Let's talk about the sleeves for a minute. The length of these sleeves is perfect. This is my ultimate length. When I am describing like the length that I like my sleeves, this is it right here. I like it to cover half my hands because I have cold hands, and so I'm constantly like pulling my sleeves down. So this is perfect when I'm describing like I want my sleeves long. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I don't like it when they slide up because then I have to pull them down, and then it usually like messes with the shoulders and all that. So now you guys have a reference of when I'm talking about long sleeves, when I want them like long, this is the length that I like my sleeves to be. The cardigan doesn't have pockets, so that's a bummer. But otherwise, it's very comfortable. It's flattering. It dips down in the front, and then it's just your straight across the back. It's soft. It's comfortable. It's warm, but it's not heavy, so it would be great for a layering piece. I'm loving it. I like it. This one and then the blue dress are my two favorites. So now that you have seen all the clothes, both on me and off of me, what is your opinion of them? I want to know. Let me know in the comments down below. I think this box was I was really hit and miss. I love the cardigan. The sleeves are nice and long. It's super soft. It's on a thin side, so you can, layer it, bundle, whatever. Perfect for Texas weather. That wrap dress was beautiful. Love the navy color. And to me, it had just like the perfect amount of flowers. Not too many, but not too few at the same time. The other dresses were just misses. The black shirt dress was just too tight and did not flatter me. The other two dresses were the same exact cut and to me looked like a nightgown, and there's no way I'm going to wear a nightgown out in public. So to me, and I just didn't feel comfortable in them. They were comfortable as far as like softness, but it's not something that I would wear out of the house. And I didn't think that it flattered me. So 3 of the items out of this box definitely are misses for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Are any of these clothes your style? Would you wear them? Would you keep any of them if they send them to you? Which one was your favorite? Which one was your least favorite? I'd love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!